This video is going to be a fast one, in more ways than one. What's up, fellow drivers? So today I'm going to be demonstrating the GTR launch control, and you're going to be experiencing it for the first time with me. It's recommended that your engine oil and trans temp be at least above 140. So using launch control in the GTR is pretty simple. All you need to do is make sure that these outer two modes are set to R. Then you put your left foot on the brake, your right foot on the accelerator, it revs up to 4,000, then you just take your foot off the brake and you launch into the next time zone. All right, here we go. Holy shit! Wow. That was fast. Okay, yeah. That was really fast. This thing launches so hard. Okay. Woo. All right, I gotta collect myself for a second here. Nissan claims 0 to 60 in, here, let's flip it over to automatic now. I was doing manual. Nissan claims 0 to 60 in 2.8. Some people have reported 2.7. Sorry, did I say 3.8? Yeah, but Nissan claims 2.8 to 60. Some people reported as fast as 2.7 without any mods. I don't know how fast that was, but it was really quick. So hopefully you enjoyed that. And wow, that was pretty quick. Even though you saw things from different camera angles, I did do that in real time. So maybe you can figure out how fast that was. It was on a very hot day. It's over 100 degrees. It's like 104 out right now. And I'm on crappy California 91. So I wouldn't be surprised if this wasn't the best time. But it was a lot of fun. So I'll see you guys in the next video.